Hi all, welcome to Techlteworld. Are you ready to level up your skills in 5G R&D? Join us for an exciting and comprehensive webinar on our 5G R&D protocol testing course. More than 2000 plus candidates have been trained by the team of Techlteworld. Discover the ins and outs of 5G protocol testing and gain the expertise you need to excel in this rapid evolving field. By attending this webinar, you will also get the chance to interact with our instructor. You can ask questions and get a feel for their extensive knowledge and teaching style. So mark your calendar for 2nd July 2023. The agenda will be technologies. Technologies we are going to cover is ORAN, 5G, and LTE. If we talk about log exposure, we have our own software defined as well as hardware lab for 5G end-to-end setup. So the more log exposure will be there in the course. Mentorship. If we talk about the mentorship, we have the experienced team with 15 plus of years of experience. So they will guide you that how to do the interview preparation and all the stuff. So what are you waiting for? Just go to the webinar registration in the description and join our WhatsApp group for more information. So see you there in 2nd July 2023, 12 p.m. online mode. Thank you so much.